It is Monday, April 19th, 2021, and I'm just north of San Francisco in beautiful Marin County. It's going to be a beautiful day here. And speaking of north of San Francisco, one of the reasons that I moved here from San Francisco, which is a city that I absolutely love, is because of the space that is available. Like, you can live really close to all kinds of services and things like in the city, but there's all this space and I think a lot of people are not comfortable with or that familiar with necessarily having space around you, having space in your day, in your calendar, space in your body. How much are we always trying to fill the space? So with these expanding exercises every week, it's an opportunity to become familiar with space and recognize that with space, you start to allow these other possibilities in. And when everything is filled in, it's like everything is complete. You already know everything that can show up. And so you're eliminating the magic and other possibilities that the universe could be contributing. So let's play with inviting in more space, choosing to be more spacious in our heads, in our bodies, in our life, and invite in more possibilities. So wherever you are, you can close your eyes if you like. And relax your body. Take a breath or two. And become aware of your surroundings. Is it quiet? Are there noises? And it's not about trying to get it to be a certain thing. It's just noticing what's going on right now. And noticing how that shifts as we create more space for ourselves. So begin to expand your awareness beyond the space that you're in, outside of the walls, the ceiling, the floor. Creating a big bubble of awareness around your body that expands out beyond the building and continues to go in all directions beyond your town or city. Going down into the earth and up into the sky, the atmosphere, the Milky Way. And just keep expanding. Notice how your body is now. Is it more relaxed? Are there less thoughts in your head? And expand further. Now, usually when people get to this space, they're like, it's blank. Like, what do I do? There's nothing going on. But this is the space where creation from choice is like that. So you get a whim of a choice that you'd like to make, and there's nothing blocking it. You don't have all these points of view and reasons and justifications for why it can't show up. It's just, oh, I'd like this. I would like this. I would like to travel. I would like more friends. I would like to expand my business. I would like ease with my body. I would like more joy in my life. Whatever it is, you can just ask for it and let it float in the space. And then go about your day. You don't have to do anything. It actually starts to come into existence when you're being this space and asking just on a whim. And everything that doesn't allow it to be that easy, will you let that go and try it? What have you got to lose? See how long you can maintain this space today. I've got to jump on another Zoom that I'm doing, energy pulls, creating something from nothing. So you can join if you like.